right, do it again. Again. A little higher. A little higher, bud. Break it up. See, the tensioner is brand new. Brand new tensioner, brand new alternator, and the AC compressor is like a year old. I think the only thing that's not really replaced is the power steering pump and the two idler pulleys. And I'm wondering if the idler pulleys at this point. It's had two different tensioners on there and two different alternators. The original alternator and tensioner didn't do this, but the original alternator failed, and the original tensioner was kind of flopping around, but it didn't make any of that huge whining noise. And then I did a bunch of electrical tests with the alternator. 0.04 volts while it's on from the positive on the alternator to the battery, and then from the case on the alternator to the negative was also like 0.04 volts while it's running. So there's no bad grounds or bad connections there. Like, those are way within tolerance, and that's all I got.